Hey everyone, this is Antonio talking to you from the LUKSO team, and this is LUKSO with double O because that's the name of our project submission for the social media feed category of the LUKSO hackathon. I'm gonna give you a walk around our platform. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what happens when you go in and you don't have a universal profile logged in. What you see is this generic feed of posts and also blockchain events. Posts are content generated by users, and events are events emitted by universal profiles, and they are rendered as sometimes has a very nice message. When we know what's happening on a universal profile, we translate that event into a user-friendly message that so you can see what's going on and you can even interact with it. Before logging in, I want to give you a brief overview of the architecture, and these are the main components. Our platform saves everything to a decentralized storage network, and in our case, we're using Airweave. And then a record is kept on the universal profile storage that will point to all the files stored in the decentralized storage network. Lastly, there is a validator contract, and the role of this contract is to validate the author and the timestamp of a message. So it's actually the contract that is going to append the current block timestamp when a user makes a post, and this way we can retrieve the data. This is the contract that is going to write on the universal profile key value store. So the first time you use our platform, you will have to grant it permissions to do so, and you will see that in a moment. So let's log in and look for a universal profile to follow. So this is what many people have been up to. I will go to explore, and from here I can choose a universal profile that interests me to follow. Let's look for this one. Hit the follow button and then go to my feed. And you can see that the posts from this user are now being displayed. This is actually an event he emitted from his universal profile, and this is my followers list. At any point, you can go here to the corner and click this button to make a new post, which you're gonna make right now. We're live for the LUKSO hackathon. You can add an attachment to your posts and it will be also uploaded. So here is the part where you need to grant permissions. And this is for the validator smart contract to be able to write on your universal profile storage. Because after validating, the second step is writing to the UP. And by using the same smart contract, we can make everything in a single transaction. Now we're signing the post. And the post has been uploaded to decentralized storage. And now we are signing the transaction that sends the URL of the post to the validator, and then from the validator it will go into your universal profile. And here it is. Alongside the events that were emitted as we gave permissions. And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for listening. And remember that we're still in a beta phase, so any help would be welcome. If you want to test our platform, please go there and follow us on it and talk to us on Discord. Every link will be in the description. See you around.